The George Brown Mansion is a sprawling and magnificent Florida historic mansion nestled on 2.15 acres of beautifully manicured land on the banks of the Peace River. A stately home with modern amenities and breathtaking in every detail. Lovingly restored by the current owners, this home will give you goosebumps. The estate consists of the main residence, detached fully functional guest home and an oversized detached garage and workshop. The charm and beauty are unparalleled, and from the moment you enter the home into the reception area/foyer, your eyes will take you to the incredible detail found throughout. If you have been looking for perfect income producing property, this home would be perfect as a VRBO and potential to be the best wedding venue a bride could ever want. Tons of room to add additional buildings/event tent, parking, etc. One of a kind and available fully furnished.